Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a banner to Top Surfer's Banner Exchange. So an exchange basically means that you give us a banner and we're going to show other banners to you. Or in our case, you can also place code on a website or a blog, and that will show banners to your visitors. And as you show those banners to visitors, you'll earn banner advertising credits to showing your banners. So how that works is basically those credits are assigned to the first banner right here. So whatever the first banner is, those credits will be assigned there. Now, if you don't have a banner currently, you can still start advertising, and it will just build up the credits as you go, and then later on you can add a banner if you want. But from here, if you don't want the banner credits only on this particular banner, and you want to spread them out, then you can at times you can go in here and you can assign those elsewhere. And so what you'd do is you'd click on credits right here, and then you would put however many credits, banner credits you want to send, and you would transfer them to another banner. You cannot send those banner credits back to the main credit bank for advertising other methods at Top Surfer. Banner credits can only be used for banner advertising. So that's how you assign credits to another banner, and that needs to be done if you're ever going to delete a banner. You need to go in and remove those credits first. It won't let you just delete a banner if there's credits there. So you need to make sure you remove the credits first, and then you can remove the banner. So that's how you do that. Now let's go through and we're going to show you how to upload and also create a banner. So what you would do is you would go to add a new banner right here. And all you do is you'd click on choose a file, and you want to choose a file that's a JPEG file or a PNG file or a GIF file. And it needs to be 468 by 60 pixels in size, which is roughly this size right here. Well, actually not roughly, it is this size right here. And this is a standard banner size that's been around for like 20 something years now. And so this is the size that we require all of our banners to be. If you upload a banner that's not that size, it's going to squish it down and make it that size, and so that's going to make it look ugly. So you want to make sure it is that size when you upload it. Now if you don't have a banner that's that size, then you can go in and you can click add a new banner right here, and you can make one, and you can actually use this banner elsewhere if you want. So how you do it is you go down here to make new banner. And what it does is it shows us the example right here. Here's the example banner. You can see it's got a white background with a black border. It's got black text on it. It's got 2 lines of text. You can change that text, of course, and we can change the style and a lot of things about that. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So first of all, it's got a black banner or border around it. So let's remove that black border. And so now there's no black border. We've got the banner color is set to white. This FFF, that's the HTML version of white. And we could change that if we wanted. We could go through here and we could adjust it this way. And we could even make it darker. And we could do all kinds of things like that. But we also have the option to choose some pre-made backgrounds. And you can see we've got a lot of really good ones here that you can choose from. So let's go ahead and we're going to choose this yellow one. And you can see it just went ahead and replaced that purple with the yellow background here, this yellow shaded background. And now you can see the text isn't lined up very good, as it wasn't really lined up great to begin with. So let's go ahead and fix that. So right down here, there's 2 options for the text. So we got line 1, we got line 2. So we're going to open up line 1. And you can see it says the first line of for your banner. So let's just say save a lot of money. And then we're going to change the font type. Let's go with Oswald, and we're going to change the size. Let's go with actually go with a little bit bigger. There we go. Now you can see as it did that, it bumped this one down a little bit. So we still need to align them properly. So we want to align text centered, and that helped. And now we can move it left or right, and we can move it up or down if we want. So I think up and down it's pretty good, and I think left and right, that one's pretty good. So I think we're good with that one. Now you can also assign a shadow to the text. So if you want the text to have a little bit of a shadow to it, that's kind of a cool little effect you can do. Let's say we want to have a white shadow, we can try that, or we can do a black shadow, which doesn't really look good. So we're actually just going to remove the shadow altogether. I think it looks fine like this. Okay, now let's change line 2. We're going to do it just the same way. We can basically just say something like click here now. It's always good to have a call to action, even on a banner. And you can see as I change it here and click out of it, it changes up here as well. So let's change that one also to, let's do lobster on that one. And we're going to change the font size. We're going to go up to, nah, that's way too big. And that's too small. Let's do something like that. Let's tell it to be centered, and now we just need to move it up. And so we're going to do that by reducing the amount here. And keep clicking that a little bit more. And that jumped a little bit there. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. Save a lot of money. Click here. Now all I need to do is click Save Image. And boom, there it is. It tells us that it's been created. It's also down here. You'll see it right here, and it's been paused as well. The reason it's paused is because there's no credits in there anyway, but also there's no website assigned, so when somebody clicks it, there's nothing assigned to it. So we need to go in and we need to edit it. And so we do that by putting the link right here and then just hitting submit. And then also after we do that, we want to add some credits, and so we'd go in and we'd transfer credits from actually we want to go into the one that we want to transfer from, and we'd go credits, and we'd say how many credits, and we'd say, and we want to transfer it to banner number 5, and that's how we would do that. And so that's how you set up a banner on the Banner Exchange at Top Surfer. As always, if you have any questions, please just feel free to let us know, and we'd be happy to answer your questions for you. Thanks.